I turn on the tap. I turn on the tap. I walk to the mirror. I walk to the mirror. I choose blue pants and pink shirt. I choose blue pants and pink shirt. I sit on a chair. I sit on a chair. I read the news. I read the news. I fix the toy. I fix the toy. I glue a label on the gift. I glue a label on the gift. I walk down the stairs. I walk down the stairs. I see my neighbor. I see my neighbor. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. I go to the bus stop. I go to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I find an empty seat. I find an empty seat. I sit near the window. I sit near the window. I look outside. I look outside. I see people on the sidewalk. I see people on the sidewalk. I see an old church. I see an old church. I see tall buildings. I see tall buildings. I see a beautiful park. I see a beautiful park. The bus stops at a light. The bus stops at a light. The bus starts moving again. The bus starts moving again. I arrive at my stop. I arrive at my stop. I get off the bus. I get off the bus. At the bus stop, people get on and off.
At the bus stop, people get on and off. I walk to the cafeteria. I walk to the cafeteria.
It's my first time here. It's my first time here. Do you take card? Do you take card? Is this seat free? Is this seat free?
I come here a lot. I come here a lot. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help.
This robot works for me. This robot works for me. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. What do you do outside of work? What do you do outside of work?
That's a good question. That's a good question.
This garden looks great. This garden looks great. Your dog is so cute.
Your dog is so cute.
Your dog is so cute.
Your dog is so cute. Oh.
Is this platform for the train to Berlin?
Oh.
Is this platform for the train to Berlin? Do you travel often? Do you travel often? I love your outfit. I love your outfit. It's really cold today.
It's really cold today.
It's really cold today.
It's really cold today.
Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe our channel for more videos.